here at a riparian reserve in Gilbert, Arizona. Decided to do a little walking this morning in the wilderness here, right outside the main city of Phoenix. And we're going to be demonstrating an exercise in shamanism. Gonna be fun. Enjoy. Okay, so the first side of the rock that I was attracted to seems to have a face here. There's an eye, nose here, mouth. That's the first thing that pops out to me. Let's look some more. Right here on the second side of the rock, this is popping out to me, and it looks like an owl, maybe an ear with an eye, body shape here. To me, maybe a tail here. Looks like an owl. So we're going to go with that. I'm also seeing maybe some type of vulture in the overall shape of the rock. The beak here, beak, and the eye, jawbone, or whatever you want to call that. I'm not sure if birds have jawbones, but there's that. On a third side of the rock, and let's see what pops out here. Almost immediately I see maybe it's almost like some type of maybe another bird. Reminds me of a seal or maybe even a reptile. Maybe like the head of a short-nosed croc. The eye here, overlapping top of the lip, right there. And we know that birds and reptiles are very closely related. So let's see what else pops out. As you can see, it stated this maybe looks like a reptile head up here. It looks like a wing in the back, maybe from a bird transforming into a reptile. As I said, they are related, so take this as a wing on the back end here. On the fourth side here, this looks like a different type of animal, so a mammal. Almost looks like a lion with a nose and an eye, mouth down here, a mane of a lion, and then I'm not sure what this is, maybe an extraterrestrial head right there with an eye, kind of looking down. You see this green, reminds me of a valley. So we're going to go with that. So I examined all four sides of this rock here to extract a message, and I want to thank the rock for assisting me and sending me the message to receive more insight. And I'm going to place the rock back exactly where I found it, and we are going to decipher the four different sides, the message I got from each side, and combine those into one message. And the challenge I posed towards the rock was how to embody more self-love and follow your highest excitement. So let's see what we get. And there you are, back where I found you. Thank you very much for your message. Namaste, and we will see you later. Finally came up with a message. It didn't take too long. I've only been sitting here with the rock for a total of, say, 20, 25, 30 minutes at the most. And so, just to recap, on the first side of the rock, I saw what looked like a human face, and the message I received was to face yourself. And on the second side, I saw an owl and possibly a vulture. And on the third side, I saw a reptile as well as a wing, which to me represented transformation from the bird to the reptile, or the reptile to the bird. You know, that's like asking which one came first, the chicken or the egg, but to me it represented transformation from one to the other. And then on the fourth side, I saw a lion, as I pointed out, with a valley and then possibly extraterrestrial head. So I've combined the four things that stood out to me through the crevices and you know, different irregularities of the rock. And so the overall message I received, as well as, you know, starting off with the question or challenge that I posed to the rock, was how to embody more self-love and follow my highest excitement. And the overall message I received after doing this shaman exercise was to face yourself with wisdom and patience during my transformation from aggressive feelings of fight, intersecting or between all the way through my ascension and spiritual evolution. So I think that's a great message, and I'd have to say this exercise definitely worked for me, and I'm going to take that message and write it, and you know, hopefully we will see what happens in the future, and possibly we'll do this again. But you know, for now, like I said, that's a great message to embody more self-love and follow your highest excitement, you know. So I hope you all enjoyed, and we will talk to you soon. Love you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.